I'm Robbie Morris, Business Solutions Consultant for Kyocera. In this quick video, we're going to look at our workflow scanning application, DMConnect, and the feature it has for converting hard copy documents into formats that we can edit, specifically Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, or WordPerfect. Let me get my screen share started so we can look at this. We're going to start with the Scanning Solutions Guide from my Kyocera Solutions Notebook. If you don't have access to this guide, please let me know and I'll get you a link. For today, we're looking at the red category, the second bullet point, outputting to Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and WordPerfect. I want to start by showing you a folder. This folder is empty, and this is where we're going to store the document. Now, to show you the document that I have preloaded in my feeder, I have a PDF of it here. So, if this is a PDF already, and someone has a full PDF editor, they could change the text here. However, that's typically cost prohibitive for most organizations. So rather than purchasing a license of a PDF editor for all users, they'll purchase a license of the DMConnect application for a Kyocera MFP, allow users to scan the document, and then it can be output for them in a format they can edit. So let me close this. I have that document loaded in the feeder already, so we're going to launch the application on our device, DMConnect. When I do this, I'm automatically prompted to scan the document. Notice it's pre-formatted in the upper left for Microsoft Word. We could have added some interaction here. Perhaps I wanted to name this document before I scanned it or choose a destination. That is a possibility. In this case, I've defaulted it to go to the conversions folder with a timestamp as the file name. So I'm going to press scan. It's going to begin feeding, and we'll see it count the page up at the top. And now I can exit the application. Once I return back to my computer and I go back to my conversions folder, I have to wait for the document to be processed. DMConnect will do this relatively quickly depending on the size and content of the document. Here it is with the default timestamp. And if I open it, now I can begin editing the document. So perhaps I want this line to be bold. This line, I want to change that to an orange font. This line needs to be highlighted. This line I don't need. So you can begin editing and changing this document, again, in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or WordPerfect. Once you're done editing, you can save it in the native file format or save it into a PDF, for example, if you don't want anyone to be able to edit it afterwards. This has been an example of using DMConnect with the ability to convert to different Office formats as well as WordPerfect. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.